The heavy, controlling, or rigid structures in your life are breaking down to make room for absolute clarity. You don't have to navigate this transition alone. Reaching out to mentors, divine sources, or your inner wisdom is a sign of strength, not weakness, as you step into your true authority. True abundance flows when you stop gripping tightly to things that no longer serve you. Let go of the need to micromanage your timeline and focus your energy on generosity and sharing your light with others. Release the need to control every outcome, lean on your guidance, and trust that stepping back makes room for the abundant new foundation ready to enter your life.